How to cure cough at home and clean your lungs with a homemade herbal tea. You will not have to go to the doctor and spend a lot of money in harmful medicines anymore. This recipe is not only easy to make but also packed with amazing health benefits, especially for those suffering from cough and cold or respiratory issues. So, let's get started. Let us know in the comment below if you want a home remedy for any illness and we will make a video on that. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of raw ginger, 1-inch piece of raw turmeric, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves, 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 2 cups of water, honey or lemon juice, optional. Health benefits. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the health benefits of these ingredients. Ginger and turmeric both have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body, especially in the respiratory system. Pepper seeds are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against free radicals and boost the immune system. Fennel seeds are great for digestion and can help reduce bloating and gas, which can also affect the respiratory system. Green cardamom is a natural detoxifier and can help eliminate toxins from the body, which can lead to clearer lungs and better respiratory health. Cloves have antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections, including those that cause cough and cold. Lastly, cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health, which can also have a positive impact on the respiratory system. Start by washing the ginger and turmeric, and then peel them. Cut the ginger and turmeric into thin slices. In a pan, add 2 cups of water and the sliced ginger and turmeric. Add in the pepper seeds, fennel seeds, green cardamom pods, cloves, and cinnamon stick. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let the tea simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the tea is done simmering, strain it into a cup using a fine mesh strainer. You can add honey or lemon juice to taste, if desired. Enjoy your delicious and healthy herbal tea. Cough and cold benefits. Now let's talk about how this herbal tea can help cure cough and cold and clear the lungs. As we mentioned earlier, the ingredients in this tea have powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties that can help alleviate cough and cold symptoms and promote better respiratory health. Ginger and turmeric can help reduce inflammation and irritation in the throat and lungs, while pepper seeds and cloves can help fight off infections that cause cough and cold. Fennel seeds and green cardamom can help soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing, and cinnamon can help improve lung function and clear the airways. By combining all of these ingredients into one delicious and healthy tea, you can create a powerful remedy for cough and cold that can help clear the lungs and alleviate symptoms. With its many health benefits, especially for respiratory health and cough and cold relief, this tea is sure to become a staple in your wellness routine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home remedies. Let us know in the comment below if you want a home remedy for any illness and we will make a video on that.